Industrial historians are now ubiquitous at most manufacturers. Data storage is cheap, and many folks grab any and all tags they can find and send them to the historian in case they need them. Data is more valuable the more history and transitions you associate with it. You never know what will be valuable in future problem-solving or variance identification applications. The problem is, most manufacturers never get to the greater value later on stage. They are recording tons of data every minute, but no one actually bothers to make sense of it. There might be a couple of trends, or folks might refer back to it when there is a problem and they want to reconstruct the scene of the crime, but often that data goes without analysis to better understand the sources of different variabilities or inefficiencies. We should use that data to find those unearthed opportunities for improvement. At Avanceon, we have developed and are enhancing a number of machine learning and statistical tools to make better sense of the data our customers collect and provide valuable and actionable insight into what it's trying to tell us. For example, this more in-depth understanding can help you build items such as an optimal schedule balancer, a true cost of production calculator, and predictive maintenance solutions, all leading to more efficient operations and an improved bottom line. For more information about our services, please visit us at www.avancion.com.